Welcome. Today we highlight a key driver of Saudi Arabia's economic future, the role of the Public Investment Fund in achieving financial diversification. As part of Vision 2030, the Public Investment Fund plays a central role in reducing reliance on oil by transforming key economic sectors and driving major national development initiatives. In this video, we explore how the Public Investment Fund supports financial diversification through strategic investments, long-term planning, and the creation of new economic opportunities across Saudi Arabia. Let's dive deeper into what shapes the diversified and sustainable Saudi economy. The Public Investment Fund has an important role in supporting financial diversification in Saudi Arabia. It aims to reduce the country's dependence on oil by building new and stable sources of income. First, the fund works on increasing its assets. By growing its investments and raising returns, it helps support non-oil revenues and strengthens financial stability. Second, the fund helps create new sectors in the economy. These new sectors give the country more ways to earn money and support long-term economic growth. Third, the Public Investment Fund builds strategic economic partnerships. These partnerships attract investments from inside the kingdom and from other countries, which helps lower financial risks and adds more financial opportunities. Finally, the fund focuses on localizing technology and knowledge. It supports modern technologies and develops local skills, which helps create an innovative economy with new income sources. Strategic pillars of the Public Investment Fund, PIF, key strategic pillars. Asset optimization. PIF works on strengthening the value of its investment assets by pursuing opportunities that support steady, long-term growth both inside and outside the kingdom. Developing new economic sectors. The fund takes the lead in establishing promising sectors such as clean energy, artificial intelligence, electric mobility, entertainment, and tourism, sectors expected to shape the future of the Saudi economy. Strategic partnerships. Through collaborations with major international and local companies, PIF expands its investment network and supports initiatives that contribute to sustainable economic development. Technology and knowledge localization. A core objective for PIF is to bring advanced technologies to the kingdom and build local expertise, ensuring that innovation translates into real economic value. Challenges facing PIF in economic diversification. Mega projects can be delayed and/or experience an increase in cost. The global competition for the technology sector, tourism sector, and renewable energy sector has increased demand for industry diversification. Advanced industries require a skilled workforce that takes years to develop. Uncertainty is created by fluctuations in oil prices, interest rates, and market changes. There are many rapidly expanding industries that exceed the regulatory capacity to keep pace and cause to create an excessive amount of regulation. Role of the Public Investment Fund, PIF, in financial diversification. Expand national income sources. Diversify government revenue structure. Enhance the country's financial stability. Increase investment contribution to the economy. Develop and grow government assets. Support long-term economic growth. Strengthen the role of the private sector in the economy. Improve efficiency in the allocation of national resources. PIF impact and strategic role. PIF has reduced Saudi Arabia's dependence on oil by expanding key non-oil sectors. Major investments shifted economic output away from oil-based revenues, PIF 2024. Created new jobs in renewable energy and urban development, supporting human capital growth. Global partnerships enhanced Saudi Arabia's attractiveness to foreign investors and strengthened its global market integration. Established major strategic companies such as Roshan and Sear Motors to drive national development. Sustainability and sectoral diversification. Strong focus on renewable energy, solar projects with ACWA power and local production of clean energy components. NEOM Green Hydrogen Company and ENOWA advancing green hydrogen production. Diversification efforts include tourism, entertainment, and logistics. Investments support economic expansion and align with Saudi Arabia's shift toward a knowledge and innovation-based economy. In conclusion, the Public Investment Fund is helping Saudi Arabia move away from oil by investing in new sectors, creating jobs, and attracting global investors. Even with challenges like project delays and skill shortages, PIF remains a major force in achieving Vision 2030. We recommend focusing on developing local talent, improving coordination between agencies, supporting the private sector, strengthening risk management, and investing more in green energy and innovation.